Hello friends, welcome to Padhu's Kitchen. In today's video, we will see how to make a very tasty and healthy sprouts cutlet. This is 1 cup of moong sprouts. You can use mixed sprouts also. 1 cup oats powder, just powder regular oats. Coriander leaves, carrot 1 grated finely, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 boiled potato grated, 1 onion finely chopped, garam masala powder half teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, amchur powder half teaspoon, coriander and cumin powder 1 teaspoon each, salt to taste. Blend the sprouts without adding water. Transfer it to a bowl. Add 1 cup of oats flour. Avoid using corn flour or all-purpose flour for binding as it is not good for our health. Carrot, potato, onion, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, coriander and cumin powder. Mix well. Taste and check the seasoning. Cutlet dough is ready. Grease your fingers with oil. Take a little dough. Make smooth balls. Flatten it. Make a little thinner so that it will get cooked well. Heat oil in a pan. Place the cutlets. Cook on medium-low heat. Do not disturb it until the bottom browns a little. Then flip it over to the other side. Cook both sides until golden brown. Our moong sprouts cutlet is ready. Enjoy with green chutney or tomato ketchup. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Padhu's Kitchen. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a video. Do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.